Hello friends, welcome to Vidya TV. Next topic is one of the topics from reasoning. Find the odd one out. First, let us start with the first question. First question is find the odd one in the following number series 3, 5, 11, 14, 17, 21. The options are 21, 17, 14 and D is 3. Now from the given numbers, all are odd numbers except 14. Therefore, our answer is 14. 14 is our answer because it is an even number. Now next one is 1, 3, 9, 12, 19, 29. Now if you look at the numbers 1, 3, 9, 19, 29, all are odd numbers, whereas 12 is an even number. Therefore, again, option A is the right answer because 12 is the even number, whereas the other numbers are odd numbers. Now coming to the third question, Shakespeare is how is related. Options are Romeo, Hamlet, novel, play. Now we know the Shakespeare is a play, Hamlet, Romeo, all three are also plays, whereas the only odd one out here is novel. Therefore our answer is C, which is novel. Now next question is find the odd one out. The options are hard disk, CPU, Windows XP and RAM. From the options, it is clear that hard disk, CPU and RAM are nothing but the hardware related hardware components, whereas Windows XP is the software. It is the operating system. So Windows XP is an operating system, whereas hard disk, CPU, RAM are related to hardware. Therefore, option C is the answer, that is Windows XP. Now let us take one more problem. Next problem is find the missing number. 2, 6, 12, 30, 42, 56. Okay, now if we look at these numbers, we have 2 into 1 is 2, whereas 6 we get it as 2 into 3, 6, again 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 5, 4 into 5 we get it as 20, 5 into 6, 30, 6 into 7 it is 42, and 7 into 8, 56, and 8 into 9 it is 72. Actually 5 into 6, 4 into 5, after 12 I think it has to be one more number, 20. Therefore our answer is 8 9s are 72. So our answer will be 72. Now coming to the next question, find out the odd one out. 6, 9, 15, 21, 24, 28 and 30. Now in all these numbers, all the numbers are multiples of 3, whereas only 28 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore our answer is B, which is not a multiple of 3. All the numbers are multiples of 3. Now let us get into the next question. Find the missing number 8, 24, 12, 36, 18, 54. Right, let us look at the series again. 8, 24, 12, 36, 18, 54. Now alternatively, if we multiply 8 with 3, we are getting the second number. Again, if we are dividing the second number by 2, we are getting the third number. Again, if we are multiplying the third number with 3, we are getting the fourth number. Again, if we are dividing the fourth number by 2, we are getting the fifth number. Therefore, alternatively, it is multiplied with 3 and divided by 2. So 36 by 2, it is 18. Again, next 18 into 3, 54. Now next it is 54 by 2, which is 27. So therefore our answer is nothing but B. The option B is our answer. 27 is our answer. Next one, the number series are 10, 25, 45, 54, 60, 75, 80, and the options are 10, 45, 54, 75. From the numbers, it is clear that all the numbers are multiples of 5, but only number 54 is not a multiple of 5. Therefore, our answer is number C, C bit, which is 54. 54 is our answer, which is not a multiple of 5. That's all for this video. Thank you.